For decades, a quiet war has raged in Japan, a relentless quest by engineers to build machines that defy the wind and conquer the asphalt. They forged legends, two-wheeled titans of speed that rewrote the rulebook and left the world in awe. Today, we count down the 10 fastest Japanese motorcycles ever crafted, machines that push the very limits of what is possible. Number 10, Yamaha FZR 1000E XUP. Our speed journey begins in the late 1980s with a bike that redefined performance for its era, the Yamaha FZR 1000E XUP. When it burst onto the scene in 1989, it was more than just fast, it was a revelation, quickly earning the nickname Bike of the Decade from Cycle World magazine. This machine packed a liquid-cooled 1002cc inline four-cylinder engine with 20 valves, pushing out a powerful 145 horsepower. FZR 1000E XUP's secret weapon was its special exhaust system, known as the EXUP valve. This clever technology helped the engine breathe better at all speeds, meaning it delivered smooth power from low revs all the way to its screaming top end. This allowed the FZR 1000 EXUP to hit 60 miles per hour in a blistering 2.7 to 2.9 seconds. It tore through the quarter mile in about 10 seconds. Its top speed was an impressive 167 to 170 miles per hour. Yamaha did not just focus on raw power. The FZR 1000E XUP also featured a strong aluminum twin-spar frame, which was very advanced for its time, giving it excellent handling. This bike was a complete package that set the standard for superbikes in the 1990s, laying the groundwork for future generations of high-performance motorcycles. Number 9, Kawasaki Ninja ZX11. As the 90s dawned, Yamaha's reign was challenged by a new contender, a bike that would carry the legendary Ninja name even further into the realm of speed. In 1990, Kawasaki unleashed the Ninja ZX11, also known as the ZZR 1100 outside North America. This machine quickly snatching the title of the world's fastest production motorcycle. The ZX11 featured a 1,052 cubic centimeter liquid-cooled inline four-cylinder engine that churned out 145 horsepower. A key innovation that helped the ZX11 dominate was its ram air induction system, the very first on any production motorcycle. This clever design forced air into the engine at high speeds, pressurizing the airbox and boosting power even further, resulting in a different quality of acceleration. This beast could hit 60 miles per hour in about 2.8 seconds. It could complete the quarter mile in 10.43 seconds at 131.39 miles per hour. The ZX11 boasted a top speed of 169 to 176 miles per hour. Kawasaki equipped the ZX11 with a strong yet flexible aluminum twin-beam frame, which helped it handle its immense power. Its smooth aerodynamic bodywork with flush-mounted indicators and streamlined fairings were designed to cut through the air, improving stability at high speeds. For 6 years, from 1989 to 1995, the ZX11 held the crown as the fastest production motorcycle. Number 8, Honda CBR 1100XX Super Blackbird. Just as the ZX11 seemed unbeatable, a new challenger emerged from Honda, named after the world's fastest spy plane. In 1996, Honda launched the CBR 1100XX Super Blackbird with a clear mission: to snatch the speed crown from Kawasaki. And it succeeded, becoming the fastest production motorcycle of its time. The Super Blackbird was powered by a liquid-cooled 1,137 cubic centimeter inline four-cylinder engine. This engine produced 164 horsepower and 93 pound-feet of torque. It could rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 2.65 to 2.9 seconds. The Blackbird completed the quarter mile in an impressive 10.2 to 10.35 seconds, reaching speeds around 137 to 144 miles per hour. Its top speed was a blazing 170 to 178.5 miles per hour, briefly holding the world record. Honda designed the Blackbird not just for speed, but also for comfort and smoothness, making it an excellent sport touring machine. It featured advanced technologies like linked brakes and smooth fuel injection, enhancing both safety and ride quality. The Blackbird's name was a direct nod to the Lockheed SR-71 Blackbird, a legendary spy plane known for its incredible speed, perfectly reflecting Honda's ambition. However, the very name also carried a subtle hint of future rivalry. The Suzuki Hayabusa, which would soon dethrone the Blackbird, is named after the peregrine falcon, a raptor known to prey on blackbirds. This naming choice by Suzuki was a deliberate, almost taunting challenge, adding a dramatic layer to the intense competition for speed supremacy. Number 7. Yamaha YZF R1M. From the Battle of the Birds, we leap forward to a modern icon that brought racetrack performance to the street with cutting-edge technology. Yamaha's YZF R1 series has been a cornerstone of the superbike world since 1998, but the YZF R1M, introduced in 2015, takes that legacy to an extreme, delivering a true race bike experience for the road. The YZF R1M is powered by a 998 cubic centimeter liquid-cooled inline four-cylinder engine. This powerhouse generates an impressive 194.3 horsepower and 83 pound-feet of torque. It can launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 2.6 to 3 seconds. The R1 Million boasts a top speed of approximately 185.7 to 186 miles per hour. The R1 Million is packed with advanced electronics, including a sophisticated traction control system, slide control, and a quick shifter for lightning-fast gear changes without the clutch. These electronic aids represent a significant evolution in how manufacturers achieve and manage extreme performance. It is no longer just about raw power, but about the ability to control and use that power effectively, especially in a track-focused environment. The M in R1M signifies its direct link to MotoGP technology, bringing professional racing capabilities to a street-legal machine. It features a lightweight aluminum frame and top-tier suspension components, making it incredibly agile and precise on the track and winding roads. Its sleek, aggressive design and carbon fiber bodywork give it a distinctive, high-performance look. Number 6. Kawasaki Ninja ZX14R. If the R1M is a scalpel, our next bike is a sledgehammer, built for raw, straight-line speed and pure drag strip dominance. The Kawasaki Ninja ZX14R, launched in 2012, was designed to be the ultimate hyperbike, a successor to the legendary ZX12R and a true king of the quarter mile. This beast is powered by a massive 1,441 cubic centimeter liquid-cooled inline four-cylinder engine. It produces a staggering 207.9 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful production motorcycles ever built. The engine was heavily strengthened with polished cylinder heads, lighter pistons, and beefed-up connecting rods to handle its immense power. The ZX14R can launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in an astonishing 2.5 seconds. It devours the quarter mile in an incredible 9.47 to 9.783 seconds, reaching speeds of over 147 miles per hour. Its top speed is electronically limited to 186 miles per hour. This limitation is a result of a gentleman's agreement among major Japanese and European motorcycle manufacturers, a voluntary agreement to cap top speeds to avoid government bans on high-speed motorcycles. This means bikes like the ZX14R, while limited, possess the potential for even higher speeds, making their capped top speed a point of intrigue. The ZX14R's incredible acceleration figures, despite the top speed limit, highlight its raw, untamed power. Despite its size, the ZX14R features a sophisticated aluminum monocoque frame for excellent handling. It includes advanced rider aids like Kawasaki traction control and multiple power modes, allowing riders to fine-tune its immense output. Number 5. Suzuki GSX-R 1000R. While some bikes focused on sheer size and drag strip runs, others perfected the art of the leader-class superbike, blending incredible power with razor-sharp handling. The Suzuki GSX-R 1000, affectionately known as the Gixxer, has been a legend since 2001. The GSX-R 1000R, an upgraded version launched in 2017, pushed this icon to new heights of performance and track capability. The GSX-R 1000R features a 999.8 cubic centimeter liquid-cooled inline four-cylinder engine. This engine delivers a stunning 203 horsepower and 86 pound-feet of torque. An earlier, highly regarded version, the K5 model, could hit 60 miles per hour in 3.10 seconds and the quarter mile in just over 10 seconds. The R model is even more refined. The GSX-R 1000R has a top speed of 186.4 miles per hour, hitting the electronic limiter. This bike exemplifies how manufacturers continue to innovate heavily, even with the 186 miles per hour top speed limitation. The focus shifted to other performance areas like acceleration, handling, and rider aids. The GSX-R 1000R is equipped with advanced track-inspired features like launch control and a bidirectional quick shifter, making it incredibly quick off the line and through the gears. Its lightweight design, with a dry weight of only 374 pounds for earlier models, combined with its powerful engine, gives it an exceptional power-to-weight ratio. The bike's advanced suspension and braking systems ensure precise control and stopping power, essential for its extreme performance. The GSX-R 1000R continues Suzuki's legacy of building no-compromise sport bikes that excel on the track while still being thrilling on the road. Number 4. Kawasaki ZX-12R. Our next machine takes us back to the turn of the millennium, to a time when two giants of speed were locked in an epic battle for the title of the world's fastest. In 2000, Kawasaki unleashed the Ninja ZX-12R, a direct response to Suzuki's Hayabusa, aiming to reclaim the speed crown. It was a technological marvel, pushing the boundaries of motorcycle design. The ZX-12R featured a groundbreaking 1,199 cubic centimeter liquid-cooled inline four-cylinder engine. This engine delivered a claimed 178.5 horsepower, increasing to 190 horsepower at high speeds thanks to its ram air intake. It was the most powerful production motorcycle until 2006. The ZX-12R could sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 2.59 seconds. It tore through the quarter mile in an astonishing 9.87 to 9.93 seconds at over 144 miles per hour. Initially, the ZX-12R was designed to exceed 200 miles per hour. However, due to rumors of the gentleman's agreement to limit top speeds, later models were electronically capped at 186 miles per hour. Despite the limiter, the 2000 model year, before the agreement fully took hold, was capable of reaching 194 miles per hour. The fact that its potential was curtailed due to external pressures makes those early, unrestricted models highly significant and sought after by collectors. This highlights a pivotal moment where external factors dictated design and performance. The ZX-12R was the first mass-produced motorcycle to use a unique aluminum monocoque frame, which provided superior strength and stiffness while allowing for a narrower, more aerodynamic design. This innovative frame, combined with advanced suspension and powerful six-piston front brake calipers, ensured that the ZX-12R could handle its immense power with precision. Number 3. Suzuki Hayabusa. The ZX-12R was built to challenge it, but our next bike is the one that truly changed the game. A machine so fast it forced the entire industry to hit the brakes. The Suzuki Hayabusa, launched in 1999, was not just a motorcycle, it was a phenomenon. Its radical, aerodynamic design and mind-blowing speed made it an instant legend and the undisputed king of velocity. The first-generation Hayabusa was powered by a 1,299 cubic centimeter liquid-cooled inline four-cylinder engine. This engine produced around 173 horsepower. It could launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in an astonishing 2.6 seconds. It smashed through the quarter mile in a mere 9.8 seconds at nearly 146 miles per hour. The 1999 Hayabusa achieved an incredible top speed of 188 to 194 miles per hour, easily making it the fastest production motorcycle in the world. The Hayabusa's unprecedented speed, coupled with rumors of even faster bikes on the horizon, prompted European regulators to consider legislative limits on motorcycle top speeds. This led to the famous gentleman's agreement among major manufacturers, where they voluntarily agreed to electronically limit all production motorcycles to 186 miles per hour from 2000 onwards. This makes the original 1999 Hayabusa models highly sought-after collector's items, as they were the last unrestricted speed kings. Its distinctive, sweeping, and almost alien-like fairing was designed to reduce drag and turbulence, giving it an instantly recognizable silhouette that remains iconic today. Number 2. Kawasaki Ninja H2. Even with the gentleman's agreement in place, one manufacturer dared to dream beyond the limits, bringing forced induction to the street and unleashing a new breed of hyperbike. In 2015, Kawasaki shocked the world with the Ninja H2, the first road-legal production motorcycle to feature a supercharged engine. It was not just fast, it was a glimpse into the future of performance. The Ninja H2 is powered by a 998 cubic centimeter supercharged inline four-cylinder engine. This incredible engine produces a staggering 209 horsepower thanks to its unique supercharger system. The Ninja H2 has an eye-watering top speed of 209 miles per hour, making it the fastest road-legal production bike at its launch. It can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 2.6 seconds. It tears through the quarter mile in 9.62 seconds. The H2 features a striking, aggressive design with lightweight carbon fiber panels and aerodynamic winglets, which help keep the front wheel planted at extreme speeds. It is packed with advanced rider assistance features like traction control, electronic quickshift, and engine brake control, all designed to manage its immense power. The introduction of supercharging offered a new pathway to achieve higher power outputs and speeds, even within the displacement classes and under the shadow of the gentleman's agreement. This represented a significant engineering leap and a strategic move by Kawasaki to differentiate itself, proving that innovation could find new avenues even with self-imposed limits. Number 1. Kawasaki Ninja H2R. If the H2 pushed boundaries, our final machine obliterates them. It is not just the fastest Japanese motorcycle ever built. It is arguably the fastest production motorcycle in the world. A true marvel of engineering, unrestrained by road rules. The Kawasaki Ninja H2R, launched alongside the H2 in 2015, is a track-only hyperbike designed for one purpose: absolute, unadulterated speed. It is the pinnacle of Kawasaki's engineering prowess. The H2R shares its supercharged 998 cubic centimeter inline four-cylinder engine with the H2, but without road-legal restrictions, it produces an earth-shattering 310 to 326 horsepower. This makes it the most powerful production motorcycle ever. The Ninja H2R has an astonishing top speed of 248.5 to 249 miles per hour. Professional rider Kenan Safoglu famously achieved 249 miles per hour on an H2R in just 26 seconds, cementing its status as the world's fastest production motorcycle. Despite the challenge of putting its immense power down, the H2R can hit 60 miles per hour in a mind-bending 2.93 seconds. It tears through the quarter mile in an incredible 9.64 seconds at 164 miles per hour. It can reach 180 miles per hour in just 11.77 seconds and 200 miles per hour in 16.83 seconds. Every aspect of the H2R is built for speed, from its full carbon fiber bodywork and aerodynamic winglets to its cutting-edge electronics and high-tensile steel trellis frame. Its design is so extreme that it is not legal for public roads. Each bike on this list represents a crucial chapter in that ongoing story, a moment where limits were shattered and new legends were born.